Hello viewers, in the previous video we discussed about the root system of the plant. Basically, roots are the simple structure which was hidden beneath the soil. But if I told you that roots are the masters of adaptation? Because some store food, some roots provide strength, and some roots help plants survive in the harshest condition. So I am Saurabh Mukherjee. Welcome back to my channel BioExplorer. Today I will discuss the fascinating world of underground root modification, exploring both taproot and adventitious root. Stay tuned till the end because you are seeing now those hidden structures are not lifeline for plants but incredible adaptation for survival. So let's start the video. Between the shoot system and root system, the underground part which help to support by conveying water and nourishment to the rest of the plant body is called the root. This root sometimes have special function to perform, and in such cases they are form and structural division. They form some structural differ from those of normal roots, which are called the modified roots. Modified roots. These modified roots may be underground or aerial. In this video, we only discuss about the underground root modification, discussing or exploring taproot and adventitious roots, which may undergo certain modification to perform the function of storage and vegetative propagation. In some plants, the taproots store reserved food for which they become swollen and assume different shapes. There are various types or three types who stores the food in their roots. Number one is fusiform type, napiform type, and conical type. Other two types are also called the taproot modification, which was tuberous or tubercular type, and the last one is pneumatophores, which was also called the breathing root. So in all over, there are 5 types of taproot modification: fusiform, napiform, conical, tuberous, and pneumatophores. In this slide, we discuss about the taproot modification only who stores the food in their root. So number one is fusiform. Here the primary root is swollen in the middle while both the ends gradually taper, forming a spindle-shaped structure. For example, radish, that is Raphanus sativus. Number two is napiform types. Here the hypocotyle region is considerably swollen, becoming almost spherical and then abruptly tapering towards the lower end. For example, turnip, that is Brassica campestris, and the common plant which was napiform type is beetroot, Beta vulgaris. Number three is conical types of taproot. Here the roots are swell, becoming broad at the base and gradually tapers towards apex, forming a cone-like structure, which is found in the carrot, that is Daucus carota. The other two types is tuberous types and pneumatophores. In tuberous types, the root is thick and fleshy but does not form any definite shape. For example, Mirabilis jalapa. In this plant, the roots does not form any definite shape. And the last one is pneumatophores, also called breathing root. Breathing root. These roots grow vertically up and come out of the water or marshy soil like conical spines. They occur in large number around the tree trunk. Such roots are provided with numerous pores, which are also called breathing pores, through which air is taken for respiration. For example, Rhizophora, Avicennia, etc. In this slide, we see some graphical representation of the taproot modification. So first one is fusiform type, which was seen in the Raphanus sativus. Second one is napiform type. An example of the napiform type is Beta vulgaris. Next one is Daucus carota is an example of the conical type of taproot modification, and this is a tuberous type of root modification. Here no definite shape is observed, which in Mirabilis jalapa these tuberous types of roots are found. And lastly, the pneumatophores. Here we see that some root-like structures are vertically up, and some pores are also found in the upper region of these roots, which was also called the breathing pore. These types of roots also called the respiratory root, found in the plant like Rhizophora, Avicennia, etc. In this slide, we discuss some major adventitious roots modification. So number one is tuberous type or tubercular root. Here the modified adventitious root is swollen without any definite shape. It is always produced singly and not in cluster. For example, Ipomia batatas, also called the sweet potato. Next is fasciculated root. Here the modified adventitious root is arisen as a cluster from almost the same level at the base of the stem. For example, asparagus, dahlia. Another types of modified adventitious roots is nodulous types of root, where the root becomes swollen at the tip, found in the curcuma amata, which was also called mango ginger. In moniliform types of roots, the roots show bead-like swelling at frequent intervals. For example, Momordica charantia, where the roots show bead-like swelling at the frequent intervals. Next is annulated root, where the adventitious roots have a series of ring-like swelling on their surface, which was found in the plant of IP cat. So this is the all over of the underground types of root modification. In the next video, we discuss the aerial types of root modification. Till then, like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video. Thank you.